So predict BBBY. They have earnings this week. Stock price on Friday, and closest to win wins $50 free Starbucks. So this will be the first contest of the week, guys. We're going to have contests every single week where you can win free Starbucks. I feel like it's the most generic thing. Everybody loves some Starbucks. So here is the contest, guys. alphashark.com/contest. All you have to do is think where you think BBBY will end up on Friday's close. The closest person will win $50 of Starbucks free gift cards. I'll send that out to you. So all you have to do is enter that. It's 100% free to enter. We do need your credit card on file to have it on file. But if you guys want to enter that contest, 100% free on Friday. You can enter up until Thursday's close. I think they have earnings Thursday. So predict BBBY's closing price. Ooh, Bed Bath & Beyond. Straddle here is about 40 cents. I probably should have done WBA instead, but predict BBBY's closing price on Friday, the earnings this week. The closest will get a free $50 of Starbucks. That's right. Got my Baroque music on. If you're part of the open house, welcome to the party. You'll see a lot of trades today, hopefully a lot of good trades. I was already looking at Roblox today. I was looking to take this off. Yeah, I like this room a lot better than the other room. But, you know, nothing bad to say. Everything's good. Everything's cordial. It was about that time where AK takes over everything independently. Time for him to ride. I ran the trading room eternally for about 10 years. Currently, right now, you will not be able to chat among your friends. I can see if that's a functionality. I'll discuss that if that's something we want to do. Thank you for the suggestion. Any suggestion, comments. It's a lot more open now. It's a lot easier now. Okay, you guys will have more access to AK. Evan is our account manager here at Option Hacker and Alpha Shark. He'll be private messaging you and basically introducing himself. A lot more hands-on with trades, with customer service, with your scanners and your needs. Banyan is a big company. They're part of Agora. LI getting a nice pop this morning. Any comments you have in there? We have the notes tab. In the notes tab is all my open positions. I will update that every day. Bump, 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 bump. We will work on that too, Evan. That's a good note we can put in. The trades we usually send out take a little long. They should be quicker for us. So we should be able to text subscribers. We should be able to do that quicker. So you'll get the trades quicker. There'll be contests. You'll get better access. I think Omnobia is a better platform. Our first contest is right in the middle, guys. Predict BBBY's final price on Friday. The closest wins gets $50 Starbucks. We'll look into chatting with each other. We will look into that. You guys couldn't chat with each other before, could you? You guys couldn't chat with each other before, could you? I don't think so. Welcome 2023. Welcome 2023. I've been waiting forever to trade again. I feel like I haven't traded for so long. And we are off. Futures up 16.5. WB up 87 cents. WB get a nice little pop here. I'm going to sell some of these for 45. I'm going to sell 12 of these for 45, guys. I added to this position. WB, I'm going to try to get off some at 45. Fitch higher. Took all the Fitch off. Roblox higher. I'm going to look to take off Roblox here. Can you guys not see other people's chats right now? You can't see other people's chats? That's something we will work on. I can't believe you can't see other people's chats. I can see everybody's. We'll work on that for tomorrow. They'll be back by tomorrow, guys. Okay. Well, they'll be back by tomorrow. DXLG trading here. SE. Evan, if you want to reach out to Omnovia right now, you should be able to. Probably a good idea. So, Evan, if you can reach out to Omnovia right now and tell them we need it to be open chat. I'm going to try to do it on the back end real quick. Trying to take off some Roblox, trying to take off some WB guys for nice profits. WB guys, I'm selling 2/3 of my position here, guys, in WB. So WB guys, I'm selling 2/3 of my position here, 45 cents. WB on fire here. WB, I'm selling 12 of 18, guys. So exit to close and filled. I sold 12 of 18. WB 120 2023. 22 calls for 45 cents. Paid 20. So over 100% profit, guys, here in WB. Over 100% profit in WB. Over 100% profit here in WB. WB, guys. Over 100% profit. Modify room settings. Add, remove predefined chat. Updated. So I'm trying to make sure that everybody can see everybody's comments. If it's not good for today, it'll be good for tomorrow. I promise you on that. Yeah, I'll do the bonus trading. Modify room settings. Show chat history. That's probably it. I think I might have switched it here. We might be good. You must end the room, not leave the room. So I have to end it. So tomorrow we'll be back to see the private chats. WB, guys, taking profits here in WB. Taking profits here in WB, guys. Taking profits here in WB. Lucid, I'm still in. WB, I'm a $1.23, a firm higher. Took profits in that a little too early. Roblox final target's 110. Oh, what a great day to start the year. EA on fire. I'm going to try to take one of these off at 350. EA on fire. Yeah, the screen is better. We're going to work on chat, guys. We're going to work on the chat for you guys. Can't see each other's chats now. I could stop the room and restart it, but I don't want to do that to you. Futures up 25. Taking profits at WB, guys. LI profits. If you're part of the open house, welcome to the open house. Roblox, out of Roblox here, guys. 100% profit. Out of Roblox, 100% profit. Exit to close and filled. I sold the balance of Roblox calls for 100% profit. Out of Roblox, guys. Roblox, 100% profit. Roblox, 100% profit. WB, 100% profit. Oh, we're getting fired up. Come on, baby. If you're in the open house, you can only see my chat. That's for sure. Roblox out at 110. Roblox out at 110. These are the 32s. Roblox out at 110. Apple higher. Oh, Apple down. Google higher. Let's look at the VIX. Up a little bit. 5-minute bar closes here in a minute. Fitch, 280% profit. This is why you guys continue to come back to the best trading room in the world. We have to put that in quotations, though. We have to put that in quotations. My mother said it. SE higher. Huge day of profits today, guys, to start the year. So long, Coinbase stock. No new trades yet today. No trades have hit any of the scanners. I'm running 10 proprietary scanners in the background. Welcome to the new room, guys. If you had any difficulty getting in, I'm sorry if you cannot see your friends' chats right now. That will get switched overnight. So just bear with us as we make through some logistical changes here. Did anybody have any problems getting in the room or not really? Anybody have any problems? Boeing higher today. EWZ trading here small. Part of the open house, we do an open house once a quarter. So those don't happen very often. Very clear. Good. 5-minute bar just closed. 5-minute bar just closed. 5-minute bar. We have a buy in Apple, no signal. Amazon, buy. So this is a bull 5-minute bar above the Ichimoku cloud. You buy it, you sell it, market on close. Amazon is a buy, 85.78. Amazon is a buy, 85.78. Baba's a buy, 95.13. Baba's a buy, 95.13. Meta is a buy, 125.30. This is a bull 5-minute bar above the Ichimoku cloud. You buy it and you sell it. MOC stands for the market on the close. Netflix, nothing. Tesla, nothing. And then Google is a buy, I think. So 4 5-minute bar longs. This is buying a bull 5-minute bar above the Ichimoku cloud, selling it market on close. So 5-minute bar long, selling Boeing call spreads for 100% profit. Buys in Google, Amazon, Baba, and Meta. 5-minute bar longs, guys. 5-minute bar longs here. So 5-minute bar longs today. 5-minute bar longs. 5-minute bar longs today. 5-minute bar longs today. Selling Boeing call spreads for 100% profit, guys. Exit to close on 48-hour spike. I sold 50% of BA this week. Now I can leave the rest about expiration. 197.5, 200 call spread for 100% profit. Let balance go. I sold Fitch last week. So Boeing, guys, 100% profit here in Boeing. 100% on half my position. I get 100% on half the position. I let the other half ride. So Boeing, 100% profit. Boeing, 100% profit. Boeing, 100% profit today. No signals hit any of the scanners so far today. So no signals hit any of the scanners. You got login credentials from AlphaShark and from Banyan or Agora. 5-minute bar longs today. Audio is good on my end. Should be good on yours too. Futures bid. Come on, baby. AK's P&L on fire today. We had some 5-minute bar longs. I'm long Google via calls. Google calls, February calls. I have a target at $4. So Google on fire. Google buy 90.21. Winner. Amazon buy 85.78. Winner. Baba buy 93.12. Winner. Meta buy 125.30. Winner. 4 5-minute bars. 4 winners today. 100% profit in Boeing. Great day so far, guys. Bum, bum, bum. Let me try sound again. TS. We should be good on the sound. If Brian or Evan, if you guys could reach out to Omnovian and make sure that we could see everybody's chat. Futures bid. Meta 5. CHPT higher. Out of Roblox, guys. Sold some WBs. VIX. 22. VIX up today. That's really weird. WB, next target, 60 cents, guys. Can I click on the Notes tab? That will get something that will get fixed overnight, guys. Notes tab will get fixed overnight. If you're part of the open house, you don't get to see the chat function until you join officially. No signals hit the tape. Come on, give me a signal. 35.5. Rip your face off, rally. LI call spread should go to 100% profit. Google, guys. I'm taking off Google. This was a super option trade, guys. Taking off Google. Wow, taking off some Google here. $4. So I'm going to move my stop to break even. Google, super option trade, guys. Google, super option trade here. 520 or 260, whatever happens first. I don't like to put that stop loss, though. So Google, guys, taking off half of my Google trade. Up $240 in Google. Notes will be back tomorrow, guys. Exit to close and fill. I sold 50% of Google. 2/3/2023. I have to get used to putting that in there. 92 calls for $4. Paid $260. One lot left. Taking Google off for profits, guys. Taking Google off for profits. 4 exits today. All winners. 5-minute bars. All winners. That's what I like to see. Meta, winner. Amazon, winner. Baba, winner. Actually, Baba might be a loser. CHPT, February 11 calls. 25,000 trades, 66 cents. CHPT, February calls trading here. They're up to 40,000 of these. This actually did not hit any of my scanners, but these are interesting, guys. Buyer up 40,000. CHPT, 2/17/2023. 11 calls. They actually paid 66 cents. I'm not taking these, but keep an eye on these. Bum, 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 bum. Plug calls being bought, guys. Plug 13.5. So buying these. Plug this week 13.5. Wow, it's traded a lot of stock. I'm not taking them. It's traded 16 million shares of stock. PLUG day trade. Plug, guys, hitting. Plug hitting, guys, is a day trade. Day trade and plug, guys. If you want to get these, you can. I'm going to pass on these because they traded so much stock. It's traded 15 million shares of stock. PLUG, guys. PLUG. PLUG, guys. But we do still have some Wells Fargos. I'm going to buy these Wells Fargos. These are the 43.5 for a dime. I'm going to try to buy $100. So Wells Fargo, guys. I'm going to try to buy $100 here. Wells Fargo, going to try to buy $100. $10 cents in Wells Fargo, guys. So Wells Fargo, I'm trying to get in. Penny spike. Buyer, Wells Fargo this week. 43.5 calls. I'm not adding. I will not have a stop loss. We're working on the chat, guys. We're working on the chat. Sorry about that. That's my fault. We're working on the chat here. Wells Fargo, guys. Wells Fargo. 10 cents. Trying to get in at 10, $100 worth. So not a big dollar amount. I filled in Wells Fargo, guys. Filled in Wells Fargo. I got $100, guys. Filled in Wells Fargo. I got $100. If the low is in for this day, the stock can get up about another 60 cents. Let's look at the delta here. 60 times about 20, about 10 cents higher. I'm going to have my targets here in Wells. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah. Targets in Wells is going to be 20 and 30, guys. I'll take these to 0. So Wells Fargo, guys, targets will be 20 and 30 in Wells Fargo. I'm in Wells Fargo. This week calls. First new position, guys. Not an official signal. So I did get these in Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo, guys. This week, 43.5. Wells Fargo, guys. Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo. WFC 43.5. I'm in a 10 lot. $100. I'm not adding to the position. Wells Fargo, I will not add. 43.5. The 43.5 is the one that hit the scanner. So the 43.5 hit the scanner here. $43.5, guys, in Wells Fargo. I'm in it. We need some XLE puts trading here. So XLE 83.5. Trade 29 cents. That's from our ETF scanner. So ETF scanner. Buyer of XLE 1216 2023. 83.5 puts for 29. So if you're looking for something to the put side, guys, if you're looking for something to the put side, ETF scanner. If you're looking for something to the put side, ETF scanner, guys. If you're looking for something to the put side, we see some ETFs being bought. So Wells Fargo calls, plug calls, and then XLE. Today, I've taken risk off the table, though. I've been doing more selling than buying. As you look here, sold Google, sold Boeing, sold Roblox, sold WB. I only have one ad, and that ad was $100. So this is something you guys are going to see every day when you become members of the trading room. This is my personal portfolio. This is all the money I have at risk. And I had coming in today $4,600 at risk. I took some off. I added $100 in Wells Fargo. And this is all in the notes tab. So this is all in the notes tab. And I'll be a lot more, talking about my trades, what's working, what's not. Like as of now, we had 2-day trades, one winner, one loser. 5-minute bars are now weak. Market is weak. The future's up 35. Future's not only up 10. Yeah, we're going to get the notes tab. We're going to get the chat going. Get that for tomorrow, guys. You'll start seeing the notes tomorrow. I apologize for that. Notes you'll see tomorrow. If you're in the open house, you don't get access to that. So if you're in the open house, you do not get access to that. EWZ getting hit. Sold all my Roblox. Out of Roblox. Today we're looking at Wells Fargo. And we're looking at Plug. And XLE. If you're looking for puts, XLE puts. So if you're looking for some puts, XLE puts. XLE puts. No super options. So 2-day trades, 1 penny spike, no moonshots, no option actor, no super options, no 1 ETF, no short squeeze, no 48 hour. Let's go. AK starting the year with a great day of profits. Ooh, I'm down money in Apple. I was actually going to look to add to these at 350. Let's put a bid in at 350. Apple taking the whole market down. One new position, guys. That's Wells Fargo. I'm down about $20. ENVX trading here. Nothing new in that one. Intel calls being bought. Intel calls being bought, guys. I'm going to take some of these. Intel 27s for next week, guys. Intel 27s for next week. I'm going to buy $240. Intel, guys. I'm in Intel. I'm taking some Intel calls. $240 in Intel. Intel, $240 I'm taking here in Intel. Cliff, I'm going to take some of these. 17 and a half. So I'm going to try to get a 65. INTC and Cliff, guys. Taking two more trades here. Cliff and Intel. Cliff and Intel, guys. Cliff and Intel. Intel next week, 27s. 60 cents. So this hit Moonshots and Option Hacker. Buyer of INTC 113 2022 27 calls. They hit at 59. So Intel calls being bought, guys. Intel calls being bought in Intel. I took $240 worth. 240 bucks. Be a little patient. The chat will be working tomorrow. So Intel calls. So Intel about some of those. And Cliff, 17 and a half calls. Wells Fargo. Sound should be good here. I would just put the volume up on your end. We're looking into the chat. Tomorrow you'll start seeing everybody's chat. Futures weak here. So put about $500 of risk on today, guys. Put about $500 of risk on today. I put on Cliff, I put on Wells Fargo, and I put on Intel. So I put on Wells Fargo, Cliff, and Intel. About $600 of risk. I put $600 of risk on today. And my P&L for the day is doing really well. I'm up like $1,300. Good start of the year, everybody. Good start of the year. Futures weak. So Intel in at 60, Cliff in at 65. Let's have a target here in Cliff and Intel. The low is in for the day. Intel can get to 27.33. It's about 80 cents higher. So 80 cents times the delta, which is about 40 cents higher. So I'll have a target, a half and a buck. I'm not adding to any of these positions, guys. Cliff, 17 and a halves. If the low is in, the low's already been, like, it's already hit that. So I'll have a target here in Cliff at 95. Futures only up a point now. Futures down in the day. Wow. So I did more selling than buying this morning. Remember, guys, I did more selling than buying. Sold WB, sold Boeing, sold Roblox, sold Google. So I did more selling than buying. Start doing a little bit of buying here. I don't think it's the worst idea in the world. We will work on getting you guys chat of all your friends. I apologize for that. And then the notes tab. So just give us one day on that. I feel like the transition's gone pretty well here. We have about the same amount of people. If you're part of the open house, we do this once a quarter. I think for the most part, I'm pretty happy with it. For the most part, I'm pretty happy with the transition. If LI stays above 20, that LI call spread will go up 300% profit. No official signals. You get the official signals a lot quicker. I'm going to talk to my team about how we can get those to you. I mean, this is an area when you might start thinking about getting long a little bit. If you haven't got into Clip, you haven't got into Wells Fargo, you haven't got into Intel, you can get a little bit cheaper. WB, I have a 6 lot left. So WB, I have 6 of them left. I took off half. I took off 2/3 actually. APPS, weekly 15s trading here. Those are in the money. We'll keep track of my P&L. We'll keep track of what trades are winning on which scanners. Today's P&L is going to be really good. Apple's only stock I'm down money, and Apple's just getting destroyed. And Apple's probably taking the market down. We'll work on getting you those text messages quicker, guys. So you're going to get trades quicker. You're going to have contests. Futures down 4.5. I'm looking to buy some Apple March upside calls. So I'm looking to buy some Apple March upside calls. Let's go to Apple on the daily chart. So Apple on the daily. All the 5-minute bars will all be losers. I did not take any of those. Apple recent low 125.87. 125.87 here, and Apple on the low. 5-minute bar we can revisit. Those are all going to be losers now as the market reverses. So we have 5-minute bar long in Amazon. It's only down 30 cents to be honest. Baba, Google, and Meta. These are all losers because the market has gone down. You got to be careful being too long the market or too short the market, especially the first couple of days of the year. We never know what we're going to get. We see some GDX puts being bought. I don't really take a lot of the ETF trades. On fire here. So GDX puts, guys, if you're looking for something on the short side, you have to combine this with the fact that you're bearish to the GDX. No, you get out of Google at the end of the day. So ETF trade, buyer of GDX, 127, 2023, 29 call puts for 79 cents, guys. So we see some puts here. ETF trade, guys, we see some puts here. So there's an exchange traded fund. Exchange traded fund. Exchange traded fund. ETS stands for exchange traded fund. Intel's down to 50. I got in at 60. Cliff down to 56. I got in at 65. More puts trading here. You're just getting a little bit of a bid. EWZ puts, June puts in EWZ. So the 5-minute bar is meant to sell MOC market on close. For the first couple days, I probably wouldn't take the 5-minute bar. I'd wait to see. Do we have more buyers in the market or do we have more sellers in the market? I took off everything in Tesla last week. I had a great day on Friday in Tesla. All the stupid option signals were all winners in Tesla. So far today, 3 entries, guys. Clip calls, Intel calls, Wells Fargo calls. Those are all technically losers right now. Wells Fargo, I'm down $35. Cliff, I'm down $8. And Intel, I am down $20. So down about $60 on the trades today. If you have other subscriptions with Banyan, you can get back. But for the most part, we've taken over the trading room internally. We're taking it over. We're going to start doing contests. We're going to get better access to our account manager, customer service, to the scanners. A better overall experience, in my opinion. In AK's opinion, which is always going to be wrong. Cliff calls back to 64. Now questions are good. So I never learned Spanish. So I didn't ask enough questions. Biggest winner today is WB. Second biggest winner is Google. Boeing, nice day. EA, nice day. Ooh, X calls are up. Look at X go. X weekly calls. I'm going to try to sell some of these for 45. Final target will be 55. So US Steel, guys, I have some of the 26s. Bought those last week. PayPal 82 is trading here. Small. If you're part of the open house, guys, you're going to have a chance to get the trading room for our lowest price ever offered. We do the open house once a quarter. We do an open house once a quarter. So far, you can see all my exits. WB, 100% profit. Roblox, 100% profit. Boeing, 100% profit. Google, 50% profit. Do not have anything on a Tesla right now. Do not have anything on a Tesla. Cliff hit the tape. I bought some at 65. So there's CLF 113 2023, 17.5. Carol in at 56. Now they're 63. Great trading. Great trading. Being a little patient now. Yeah, you can. I think you guys can always like private message me too. Yeah, if you're a lifetime member you still have lifetime access. We've taken over. Oh, I was trying to buy more Apple, not sell Apple. Oops. All right, I'm adding some Apple calls here, guys. This is interesting. I'm buying some Apple calls here. I'm actually going to make this our first super option trade for 2023, guys. Lucid 6.5, sit the day trade scanner. I'm not taking these. Apple, I'm going to make this our first super option trade. This will be our first super option trade. Buy Apple 3/17 2023 140 calls to 350. Stop loss, if you want to use that stop loss, 175. Targets 525 and 7. So this will be your first super option signal, guys, of the year. This will be your first super option signal of the year. I did buy 4 of these too. So you don't have to wait for that email anymore. We're going to give it to you right now. Grab. February 4.5. I am not buying these. Probably has a really small ATR. We're going to work on getting you guys text too. So buy the Apple calls. Apple calls. These are March calls. So these are a long time away. 3/17/2023. 140 calls. The 350 debit. Stop loss is 175. Targets will be 525 and $7. So super options, we have official signal here in super options, guys. First you'll signal here in super options. March 17th, 2023, 140 calls in Apple. And I did get some of these myself. Snapple. Cliff up a couple pennies. Grab. There's about some grab calls. I'm not taking these. So these are the grab February. I'll give you these guys, but I'm not taking them. So option hacker, buyer of GRAB 217. Some activist has a lot of money in this. I forgot who it was. 4.5 calls for 20 cents. So grab calls hitting option hacker. I did not take these. If you want to take these, you can. I did not take grab calls. GRAB, guys, grab calls. Grab calls. Grab calls. Someone said they got them even cheaper here. LI call spreads will go to 100% profit. SC making a nice move higher. Back to the fives. Google still a loser. Amazon still a loser. Apple bought some calls today. Wells Fargo. Well, like I said, guys, I did $100 of Wells Fargo. I did $100 of Wells Fargo. I'm down $50. I'm not adding to the position. I'm not having a stop loss. I'm down $45 in Wells Fargo. So yes, I am down money in. But I came in long and sold a lot of my positions when the futures are up 30. And not every trade is going to be a winner, believe it or not. You know, I just look at my overall P&L, guys, and we're looking to look at this every single day. AK, show me the money. Are you actually making money? So I'm up $1,000 today, even with the Wells Fargo loser, even with the Intel loser, even with Apple. Apple's my biggest loser. I'm down $200 today. I'm up $1,000 today, even with the futures down. I did some selling this morning. So I think for the most part, the transition went pretty well. We're going to work on the notes. We're going to work on the chat overnight. Yeah, so Brian will be on same times. There's not really any changes. It's just that we're taking the trading room over internally. We're breaking free. Puts being bought here, guys. Puts being bought in Amazon. If you're bearish, we see some puts being bought. 80 puts in Amazon. I'm not taking them with my money. Amazon 80 puts. So penny spike. Buyer of Amazon. 1/6/2023. 80 Puts. 25 cents, guys. So if you were looking for something to be bearish, to maybe offset some of your longs, we do see a signal here in Amazon. Amazon, guys, 80 puts. 25 cents, $25 per one lot. You can get in that trade. We're taking that over internally. So we'll work on that too. Everything you guys write are great suggestions. Where can you see the portfolio? That we'll be working on. Futures down 7. And it'll be in the trading room too. We'll have all the open positions in the trading room. GE trading here, nothing new in GE. P&L going down as the market goes down. Changing name should be pretty easy. Changing name should be pretty easy. We were actually in Omnovia before. We were in Omnovia before. BLZE trading here, nothing. Futures on 10. We'll do an S&P tracker versus portfolio tracker. In the yellow submarine. Futures down 12. And last night, it was really interesting because the market was up a lot, then down, then we were up this morning. Futures down 13.25. The Apple calls that I bought are down a couple pennies. Ooh, actually, I need to buy one more, I think. I want to have 6 of these. Apple is my biggest loser. Yeah, this one's so much better. The platform's so much better. And we're going to give you guys access to the notes tabs. And then we're also going to give you guys access to each other's chat. And then also getting the trades quicker. We'll work on that. Get them via text. If you're part of the personal portfolio, you got a bunch of trades today, so enjoy those. Yeah, we're working on the contest link. You're just on 12.5. Got some signals. Scanner's good. Took off some Google today. Took off some Boeing today. So I like that little up move this morning. Personal portfolio, I'm not going to be announcing the trades in the room. I'm sorry I did that today, but I'm not going to tell you which ones I'm taking. So that will have a lot of value. Intel down 4%. 4%? That's nothing. Intel, I'm down $2. Intel, I'm down $2. I'm down $2. So $100 of risk in Wells Fargo, $240 in Intel, $240 in Cliff. LI, as long as LI closes above 20, that call spread will be up 300% profit. So as long as LI closes above 20, that call spread will be 300% profit. 5-minute bars today. Amazon is a loser. Baba is a loser. Google is a loser. And Meta is a loser. So kind of keep that in mind. Be like, okay, 5-minute bars, I tried them once. It didn't work. Maybe give them a couple days off. WB was my biggest winner today. $330 profit. WB is bid. I have some more at 60 and I have some more at 80. WB hit our option anchor scanner. And we might try something, guys, where the trading room doesn't close. So I'm actually going to tell Brian not to close the trading room today. And that way you don't have to ever log out. You can just leave it open if you want. So Brian, if you're there right now, just don't close the room tonight. We'll try something for a couple days. Maybe we'll close it on the weekend. Actually, we have to close it for the notes tab to appear. So I apologize. Futures on 20. Took an SPY straddle at the money calls, at the money puts for this week. So we have a straddle that expires today. That's an SPY 380 straddle. It's about $30. So we're implying a 30-point move between now and the day in the futures. 30-point move between now and the end of the day. 30-point move now and the end of the day. Yeah, we'll close it after the market's over. And then in the weekly straddle, about a 80-point move. So we are expecting a big move, guys. We are expecting a big move. Wells calls, Clip calls, Intel calls. Today, profits, even though the market's down, because I did selling this morning. Now I'm up to $600. SE winner, Google winner, Boeing winner, EA winner, Roblox winner, LI winner. Losers, UAL. X now a loser. Those were higher this morning. See how high those got. I probably should have taken some of those off. They got to 48. So I didn't have an offer out in US Steel and that ended up hurting me money. 10 minutes to play, guys. Then we do have a bonus trading session, guys. 10 minutes to play, and then we do have a bonus trading session. XPV puts being bought. No, thank you. Yeah, we're going to change all the chats off of privatized. We want everybody to see each other's chats. So right now, I don't think you can see other people's chats, but we'll make that. If you're part of the open house, guys, we have a great promo running on today. So don't go anywhere after the bonus trading session. Modify room settings. And show chat history. Futures up a little bit now. Saw a bunch of signals this morning, guys. Now it's been a little slow. Slow is not bad. Technically, I'm long 172 deltas in Apple. So every dollar Apple goes up, I make $172. Every dollar Apple goes down, I lose $172. You can always look at your delta of your position to figure out, how much you can make or lose, and how much a stock moves up or down. NCLH puts being bought here. So the only puts we saw were Amazon puts being bought. They're going up a little bit in value. So XLE puts a little bit. Give me something good to trade. Give me something good to trade. So let's add, we have Intel, we have Cliff. Let's add Grab down here. Plug I did not take. GDX, Amazon is already down here. We can do polls again. You can access the whiteboard. You should be able to, but the whiteboard doesn't have anything on it. So the whiteboard doesn't have anything on it. We're going to start a super option text group so you guys can get the text for super options quicker. Yeah, it's something we're working on, guys. Just give us 24 hours on the tabs and see everybody's chat. We thought it was set up, but it wasn't. So tomorrow will be good. Space, next week 4s. And the contest was messed up. Apple. Come on, Apple. Come on, Apple. Coinbase was up this morning. Now it's down. Coinbase got up to 37. Freeport Feb 41s being bought. Freeport Feb 41s. Ally needs to stay above 20 so I can make 300% profit on that trade. Get some more coffee. 5 minutes ago, guys, then we have bonus trading. You don't have to go anywhere for bonus trading. All the bonus trading sessions will be in here. XLE in at 29 out of 40. Nice trading. So those XLE puts I gave you are working out, guys. So that's what I'm going to talk about. You got to combine how your trading is. If you're bearish the market, don't take bullish signals. If you're bullish the market, don't take bearish signals. Gave you those XLE puts, and there we see 100% profit, 50% profit on those. Gary Z just said he made 50% profit. Great trading. Notes tab will be up tomorrow, guys. We'll be up on the notes tab tomorrow. So first I'll say Happy New Year, everybody. I hope you had a healthy and happy New Year. Other than that, you know, we have a lot of cool things coming on. We're back at Alpha Shark. We've taken over the trading room internally. We're going to do contests. People have a chance to win $50 at Starbucks. We're going to give giveaways for courses, indicators, more free indicators, scanners, more free scanners, more discounts on scanners, more access to 8K. We're going to try some bonus Friday sessions for a little bit of a premium. Probably do about $9 if you want to watch me trade on Fridays. One good trade pays for it. A lot of access, better customer service, better account manager. Any feature you guys have at all, we're going to make the experience just so much better. You know, Alpha Shark is a very small team, so you get more intimate VIP access. Bannon, nothing bad to say. Great, amazing, love them. But we've just decided to take things over internally. And the password you guys have access to, so you just got to put that password in. Notes will be up tomorrow, and your chat will be up tomorrow. Futures down 18. We'll keep track of my, my personal portfolio. I'm up today with the market down. I guess Apple's kind of my biggest position here. Took off some Google. Took these off at 4. They're down to 3. Google way off the highs. Melco Jan calls. 50,000 Melco Jan calls trading here. Jan 14's in Melco, guys. I got to buy some of these. I'm going to buy some of these. Try to get them at 30. Melco, 50,000 Melco calls trading here, guys. Melco, 50,000 Melco calls trading here. 50,000 Melco calls trading here, guys. 50,000 Melco trading here. Wow. So this is Option Hacker. Buyer of MLCO 120 2023. 14 calls. 30. They paid 33, guys. So the signal actually hit at 33. I got it filled at 30, but 33 guys he's hit at. So Melco calls being bought. 50,000 calls in Melco. 50,000 Melco calls. Wow. That's what we call a big order. 50,000 Melco calls trading here, guys. So Melco, guys. Let me stop this recording, get the new one going. MLCO, nothing like a 50,000 lot.